Let's make a Captain's Blood number 2. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make what I call Captain's Blood number 2. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I'm glad you're here to enjoy this version of the Captain's Blood. The original Captain's Blood was popularized by Crosby Gaige in his book, The Standard Cocktail Guide, which was published in 1944. That version of the Captain's Blood is on my list of drinks I hate. And Jason O'Brien agreed with me and thought that was a horrible drink. So he did his best to correct it while retaining the original spirit of the drink. While this is one of the more modern versions of the Captain's Blood, it is closest to the original recipe that I found of all the variants. So that's why I call it number 2. A note on the rum. This recipe does call for Jamaican rum, and you can use a nicer Jamaican rum for this. I'm going to be using my Smith & Cross. If you've got another Jamaican rum that you like and you try it in this drink and it turns out well, let me know what that is in the comments down below. To make this drink, we are going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of your Jamaican rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. O'Brien's recipe calls for 3/4 of an ounce of a 1-to-1 simple syrup. I've got 2-to-1, so I'm going to adjust that to 1/2 of the 2-to-1 simple syrup. 1/2 ounce that is, which is 15 milliliters. Finally, 2 to 3 dashes of your Angostura bitters. That's about 2.5. Add your ice and give it a shake. I am going to double strain this one. And the garnish is optional. O'Brien suggests a lime wheel. I'm not going to garnish today. I'm just going to drink it as is. And there you have it. Captain's Blood number 2. Drink with good spirits. That is so much better. Question of the day. What is your favorite Jamaican rum? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have social media links down below. Feel free to check those out and follow me on any of those. If you've made it this far into the video, give me a like, give me a subscribe. The little clicks help me a lot. And if you want a t-shirt, contact me through the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get one. Cheers.